all of my bosses, future bosses, and aspiring bosses. It's the head boss in charge, BB Nicole. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you're new, welcome. In today's video, we're going to be discussing monetization. In other words, how to get paid on YouTube. In this video, I'll be sharing a few steps on how I became monetized. I decided to break them down into 7 easy steps. If you're interested, just continue watching. First thing first, you want to grab your favorite notepad and you want to jot down all of these steps so you can keep them for your own personal growth. You may be wondering, what is monetization? Monetization is a YouTube feature that allows you to place ads on your original content, and in return, you get paid for it. There are qualifications that you need to meet in order to become monetized. You need to have at least 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch minutes within 12 months, as well as be in good standings on the YouTube community, meaning you don't have no copyrights or strikes against your YouTube channel. Now that you know what monetization is and how to qualify for it, let's jump right into those 7 steps. Step 1, before you can ever get paid on YouTube, you simply have to start. Step 2, you need to start creating content. When creating your content, you need to consider the type of content that you're creating, as well as the length of the videos, because this in return will help you reach your goal of 4K watch minutes. Again, the overall goal is to one day become monetized. The longer your videos are, the quicker you're going to reach your 4K watch minutes. Step 3 is to determine your niche. You need to decide what you want to be known for on YouTube. You also want to pick a niche because your subscribers will consider you the go-to person for that particular niche. Step 4, you need to build an audience organically and produce consistent content around that niche. You need to stand for something on your YouTube channel. You need to be known for something on your YouTube channel. Your subscribers will continue to come back. Not only will they come back after you create consistent content, but you'll also be known to them as an expert in that particular niche. Step 5, you want to create an uploading schedule. Having an uploading schedule makes you reliable, relevant, and your subscribers also know when to revisit your channel. Step 6, you want to promote your YouTube channel. Just simply promote your YouTube channel on all social media platforms that you have. And finally, and most importantly, step 7, be patient, be consistent, and don't give up. Guys, this takes a lot of time. It does not happen overnight. But when you start noticing those numbers going up, when you start noticing great feedback, and when you start noticing a lot of interaction from your subscribers, you'll also notice that your subscribers rise as well as your view count goes up. That is an important milestone that you need to reach. However, it does take time. And one thing about building a YouTube channel, any YouTuber will tell you that all of us, every single one of us, started at 0 subscribers. No one can cheat that hustle. No one can cheat that grind. You just have to simply put the content out there, put your gift out there, and just hope in return that your content is being well received, and you can also expect to generate a lot of growth from doing so consistently. So that wraps up the 7 steps that you can take to become monetized on YouTube. Now I want to quickly speak to the people who've already completed these steps and they just want to know what to look for when it comes to becoming monetized on YouTube. The first thing that's going to happen as you approach your watch hours or subscribers, say you're right up on it, or say you just reached it, the first thing YouTube is going to do is reach out to you and consider your channel for review for YouTube partnership. This can take up to a month. Sometimes it happens sooner, sometimes it happens later. You can't really tell, you can't really know. You just have to see how it goes for you when your turn comes along. After you've been considered for partner, you're going to create an AdSense account. This is how Google pays you. This is how you receive your paycheck. After you filled out this AdSense account, you're going to fill out all important forms that come along with the website. I would actually do this as I'm approaching my qualifications. I wouldn't wait until it's done because it is a lengthy process. So if you're approaching the 4K watch minutes and if you've already secured your 1K subscribers, you should go ahead and set up your AdSense account. So once you filled all these things out, you don't get paid immediately. One thing you have to do when you become a YouTube partner is reach a $100 threshold. Once you reach a $100 threshold, guess what? Google is going to send you a pin. After you reach that $100 threshold, guess what Google will send you? A postcard containing your account pin. Yes, I framed it. Before I keep going, I did frame this. It may be small to some, but it's a really big deal to me. I'm very, very proud. I'm very, very excited about what the future holds. And I definitely don't want to forget this moment. So I framed my Google AdSense pin envelope. It is a symbol to me. It is very, very, very sentimental to me. And maybe one day later I'll tell the story of why this is so important to me, because it's not like I've never been paid before. I have, but the timing and everything surrounding this was really, 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 I don't know, I guess the best, it was spiritual. $100 threshold. Google is going to send you a pin. You've received this pin, you received this envelope, so you are getting paid. After you put in that pin, you're going to fill out your tax information, and then on the next billing cycle, on the next payout, you're going to receive your paycheck, whether that's in the form of a check or a direct deposit. All right, guys, that's pretty much it. You are now a paid YouTube partner. And the only advice that I have for you at this point is to stay active, stay consistent, and continue building your empire. There's a fly in here. I hope you guys took plenty of notes. That wraps up this video. I will see you all next Monday. Before I go, I just want to remind you all to wake up, pray, get pretty, hustle, and repeat. Your girl is out. Bye.